what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Bruna. So today we're gonna just be doing a little get ready with me type of thing. We haven't done a get ready with me in like forever because your girl has just been lacking. Like, I've been sleeping. Not really. I haven't been like really sleeping, but I've been really busy. I have a lot of you guys know, but I'm starting to do my own brand. I am going to be coming out with a clothing brand, like a clothing boutique. It's going to be called Shop by Bruna, and I started the Instagram, so you guys need to go follow that. The link will be down below, and I'm just pursuing my dream. One of my dreams is always to have businesses online. That's always been one of my biggest dreams. So I decided to start and get your guys' support and provide you guys with some bomb, empowering clothing so you can feel cute and beautiful and awesome. So yeah, all that will be linked down below as well. Before we get started with this look, it's going to be affordable / some high-end, just trying some stuff out. Talk through. I love doing these talk through videos with you guys. So anyways, it's going to be basically a moment of me to tell you guys, subscribe to my channel if you already are not subscribed. Turn on my notifications if you're already subscribed so you guys could get these videos to you. Remember, I upload videos like 3 to 4 times a week, so be here for them. And also, you guys know there's Foundation Friday, there's Dupe Wars. I mean, this is just such a beauty channel. Fashion too. I definitely want to do in the dressing room try on hauls soon. I'm just needing to like get myself to get out to the mall and like explore the mall again. I've been anti-mall for so long, for like about a year. Calm down. I used to be a mall rat like a year ago, but I kind of stopped going to the mall so much because I never found anything cute. So it's definitely going to be fun to do like a vlog style, going to the mall, checking out what's at the mall for you guys. So those will be up soon. But anyways, enough talking. Let's get on with this affordable makeup tutorial. Okay guys, so I always go in with my brows first, but I'm just going to go in with this Maybelline Total Temptations brow pencil. And I'm just going to keep it very easy with the brow pencil. Don't forget to always brush out your brows with your spoolie because this is what keeps it nice and not so harsh. You always want to blend them brows out. Once I have everything nicely shaped out with my brows, I'm just going to go in with a concealer and I'm just going to conceal this area. I'm going to basically clean up my brow area. And the concealer I'm using is just the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Okay guys, so you know I always do my eyes before I do my foundation. So we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Came out with a palette and she was like, I'm going to do the damn thing. So she came out with this. So I'm going to do a very blue colored look. I'm going to go into this blue right here. Just going to go ahead in with that matte color. And I'm going to focus it really on the outside. I really love the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's so pigmented and it just does what I need it to do. It's all about working this color into my crease. So I really like to keep the color really concentrated right there, and then I start to brush out on the edges. So then it looks like I have 2 different colors on, but all in all it's just like one color really smoked out into your lid. So I'm also going to bring this color in really inwards towards my tear duct, so really inwards. But when I'm taking the color inwards, I'm not really like taking color from the palette and putting it there. All of my color starts from here and then gets dragged inwards. Always remember that. You start color from here and then you drag it inwards. When you're going to drag color inwards, you want to make it be faint. It doesn't need to be like super pigmented inwards. So now I'm just going to kind of blend and blow everything out a little bit. So if you notice, I'm just blowing stuff out. If you need some more color, then take the color from inwards and blow it out a little bit more. So you see, I'm slowly building up that color. It really does take effort to build color. Another key tip I can give you is don't ever build from the top, build from the bottom upwards. A lot of color here and then I start sweeping the color outwards. So that's a good tip I can give for you hooded eye people. So a lot of the times people are like, oh yeah, keep your eyes open and just go in there. I've noticed, yes, keep your eyes open, but make sure that you're tilting this way and you're making sure the deepest color is more on the bottom, and then you're able to like slowly blend this darker color into your crease, so it doesn't look like you have a lot of, I don't know, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, you definitely, as a hooded eye person, you want a wash of color on your hood. You don't want a really bold color. I'm going to go into this green color here. Morphe R41 brush, and it's basically a pencil brush. It's like almost like I'm cutting my crease out. So I'm just bolding that area up so it can look a little bit more bold. Making sure I'm not going up at all, because I definitely want that teal color to really show. So if I'm going to go up far, then it needs to be done strategically. If you see, I'm really controlling the pencil. You know, when it's a blending brush, you can't really control it too much where it's going. Like, I mean, you can control it, but not that much. And then I can go in here and just kind of draw out which way I want this to go. Take the other blending brush that we had, and we're just basically going to lightly, not crazy, just lightly go in and blend out that line. You don't need to put any new product on it because, you know, there's no need. Now we're going to go in and we're going to cut this crease, y'all. We're going to cut that crease. We're going to go in with KEVYN AUCOIN. Now you can do this with any concealer that you want to. I'm trying to keep this really affordable for y'all. So I would suggest using like maybe the Maybelline concealers. Those are bomb. But this is what I have on hand right now. So this is what we're gonna use. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut that crease. I'm going to start off a good amount on. Lift my eyes. So when you lift your eyes like that, it cuts your crease for you. And it's basically telling you this is where your crease belongs. Cut creases be getting complicated sometimes. Especially when it's around your eye area, like right here. It should be getting hella complicated. Alright. That looks bomb, you guys. I'm proud of myself. That shit is not easy to do. So now I'm going to go in with a color that's a little bit shimmery. I'm going to go in with this color right here and put that onto the lids. I'm going to make this whole look very bright. Like, I really want the detail of that to be shown. So I'm going to go in with that matte shade green, and I'm basically going to do a liner. But I'm going to do it with powder. And I'm just going to totally make it like much thicker. It definitely takes longer to do eyeliner with powder. It's not easy. It takes 10 times longer. So I'm just going to go in with my primer. I'm going to go in with my Hangover RX Too Faced Primer. You pump it on to my brush like so. Just going to put it on to my skin. I'm going to go ahead and color correct. So today I'm going to color correct with 3 of Revlon's PhotoReady. These are color correctings, and I want to try these out. They're the color correcting pens. There's green, peach, and purple. So I'm going to go ahead and take the peach and take the green and put it in red areas. So these are like basically my pimple areas that are still not completely, you know, done. They're still like living fully. And then I'm going to also blend those out. That's when I like to use it. And I like to use the purple underneath my eyes because I don't have a lot of darkness underneath my eyes right now. So I want to brighten up under my eyes. The reason why I want to mostly brighten up underneath my eyes today is, sorry guys, is because I have actually a very bold makeup look going on today. Ooh, these Revlon correcting pens are pretty good. Like, I love how they blend, and they're pigmented, but they're not super pigmented where it's going to hurt your color correcting. Sometimes if it's too pigmented, it bleeds into your foundation and then it's just not going to work out, you know? So now I'm going to take this peach and I'm going to use the peach to color correct around my chin, and my nose has some dark spots. And I'm basically going to color correct all of the darkness and uneven skin tone with the peach in the areas that my foundation tends to look ashy in. So my foundation always looks ashy in my chin area, so I'm just going ham in my chin area. So now that my skin is color corrected, I'm going to go ahead and use my foundation. And I am using the Revlon Photo Filter Insta-Filters today. These are brand new. They just got sent to me by Revlon. Thank you, Revlon. So I thought I would test them out today and put them on in this look. So for concealer, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And we are going to conceal that, even though we just added a good amount of foundation. And we're going to brighten up the under eye, and we did the color correcting, you know. It's very important to have a bright under eye when you're, you know, when you have a very, why can't I say it, when you have dark eyes like this on top. And I usually do like a really good cream contour, but I'm going to just use powder this time to snatch my face up. So now we're just going to go ahead and blend out the under eyes. We're going to use this beauty blender. So now you guys, I'm just going to contour my face, so warm up my face. And I'm just going to go in with this MAC Mineralize right here. And we're going to just go in. Y'all, Callie hasn't been getting a lot of sun lately, so this is looking a little crazy on me. But, you know, it's okay. I'm just going to go in to my medium gold, and I'm going to basically use this medium gold and kind of just blend everything together type thing, so it doesn't look so harsh. See, just like blending it out. Okay guys, for highlighter today, I'm going to use the Allenized highlighter. I went to the event and I was shook when I saw this. I was like, this needs to be on my face like yesterday. Ooh, doesn't that look bomb, you guys? Wow. That is lit. I love to take my highlighter a little high, you guys. That's just who I am. Wow. That is so lit, though. Wow. Yes. Yes to the glow, you guys. Yes to the glow. Oh my god. Beaming. Let's get the under eyes together, you guys. So we're just going to go in. We're just going to make the under eye. I think the under eye should be like a bright color. So I'm just going to take in this blue color from the under eye and put that blue color onto the under eye. Like bring in some brightness or something, right? I'm going to also go in to the under eye. And then for my lips, I'm going to keep it really glossy and shimmery. I'm going to go in with this KEVYN Molten Lip Color in Pink Crystal. And I just think it's so gorgeous. So I thought it would look bombacious on my lips. So we're just going to go in. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in with a lip color first. So I'm first going to go in with my MAC So Me color. This is my favorite color, you guys. So we're going to go in with So Me. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the KEVYN lip topper, and I'm going to top it off. Like, this is pretty. Yes, now that's what I'm talking about. So then I'm just going to go in with my PIXI Beauty glow mist, and I'm just going to glow my face up. Oh, I love the mist. And then once I let that glow, then I'm just going to fan it out.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Trust me, this tutorial took me forever to film. It's a hard eyeshadow look, but I mean, look. Do you guys see like what I mean by it was hard to do? Like, do you see like when you got hooded eyes, it's just not easy. You see how the bleeding is happening? Oh no. There you go. Anyways, so basically this is not an easy look. I swear I've been filming here for like 5 hours trying to create this look for you guys, but I still hope you guys enjoyed it. But until the next video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Those are all Glam by Runa. Also on Facebook and Instagram, I do a lot of Instagram lives and a lot of Facebook lives doing looks like this. So if you can't catch me here doing a makeup look, then catch me over on Facebook and Instagram live where shit gets lit. Yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching me always, and love you so much. Mwah. Bye!